Hi guys, it's Rebellious Attack and I'm going to unbox my new phone, Honor Play. I just bought it. It's opened already because of testing and didn't do anything. We did to just get home and unbox it. It's the Honor Play. The model is Core underline L29. Color is ultraviolet. 64 GB of RAM. 4 GB of RAM and a free case added in it too. Okay, nothing special on here. The Honor Play everywhere of it, and it's a phone of Huawei and it's made in China. And I'm putting the description of the phone, the CPU and other things in a photo here. Okay, let's get in and see what's inside the box. And it's the phone itself. And it says how to insert a SIM and micro SD or SIM 2 and things. Here is the box for it's the free case that it got in it. I think let's see what's it. There's a, and it's the case that got in the box. And then manual guide. Who is that? No one. A Huawei warranty card. And the thingy to use to get out the place to insert the SIM and the micro SD card. The charger cable, that's a type C one. Let me take it out. Yeah, it's type C and USB. The earphones, and charger. And I don't think there's any other things in this box. That's it. I haven't used a Huawei phone yet, and it's my first time getting a Huawei on my hands. And it was this, the box of the Huawei Honor Play. A very good phone and very good everything, and the good color of it. It's very beautiful. I like it. Ultraviolet. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rebellious Attack. Bye.